All right, guys, this video is to give you an idea on how to properly fill out the load evaluation form. So we'll begin from the top. As far as totes, you can put an estimate of totes that you picked up. In this case, will be 125. This is the empty totes. As far as cages and carts, it will be 0. We don't use that in Moreno Valley. Dollies, the same thing, 0. Pallets, we do have one empty pallet coming back to the DC. We'll enter the 1. Press the OK. We'll scroll up a little bit. Detention. Nope, there's no detention right now. The store was open, ready to go as soon as I came in. Is it a floor load? Yes, it is. It's a floor load. So we're going to put yes. Down stack and strap. This case we're going to put no. I did strap it at the DC before I left, but it wasn't strapped by the DC. Heavy loaded on top, light on the bottom. I'm going to put no. There was heavy on top. Liquids stacked straight up. Put yes. Quick load. This is going to be a no because it's a floor load. Straps and rollers present. I'll put yes. We had rollers in one strap. Empty tote secure in a location locked unit. Storage. I'll put yes. Were they dry from weather or rain? Put yes. In this case, the next question is going to be number of store employees. Okay. So in this case, I'll put 2. Only 2 receiving today. I'm going to scroll up. If you have any comments, this is where you want to put detailed comments on how the load was. Not bad load or dirty or no, that doesn't pretty much explain anything on that load. So you want to be a little bit more specific. In this case, you know, if you had totes loaded sideways, totes stacked on top of cases, or cases on top of the totes, that's something where you want to put. Okay, we're going to scroll up. Let me go back here real quick. Okay, here we go. I'll scroll up to see how you rate this load. As far as rating the load, it doesn't show. So, number of store employees, comments, stop ID, store number, Bolt Pro number, driver ID, route number. Yep. In this case, there's no rating. Okay. So this is what we're gonna do. Comments. I'm gonna put none in this case. No comments. And send it. That's it. If you have any comments you want to put, make sure you're specific on what you're gonna put. Alrighty.